What's up, guys? Before we even get this video started, it has definitely come to my attention that a lot of you guys really like the wing that we made for the EF hatch, and a lot of you guys have been asking me about making some to sell them. I am going to be doing that here pretty soon. I think I'm probably going to make like 5 of them. Anyhow, to my point, starting today, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. And it's gonna be for my old wing, the one that was originally on my car. Now this one's straight. It's not an exact replica of what's on the hatch right now. Now it's not in perfect condition, you know, it's got a little bit of imperfections here and there, but I mean overall it's a really good wing, dude. It has the factory wing underneath. But before I send it out, I'll most certainly be putting a fresh coat of paint on it. So if you want a chance to maybe get this wing, all you have to do is get on the customer list like before, the merch store down below. Anytime you order a sticker from the merch store, you get put on a list. I have a list of all my customers. So in a week's time, I'm gonna go through that list and I'm gonna pick one of you guys and ship this thing out to you, man. Hopefully you have an EF. If not, like I said with the Pistons, brother, you can just sell them or sell it, whatever. Let's get into this video.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the bitches, slapping the hoes. Went to the park to get the scoop. Knuckleheads out there, cold shooting some hoops. A car pulls up, who can it be?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the garage. Well, outside, out front of the garage. I figured before we take off, because we gotta go to Shiloh's house, I gotta go clear coat his wheels. Of course, I'm gonna take you guys with me. So a bunch of people are asking me what happened to the hood on Max. Max is just dirty as fuck. This right here is literally a pile of dirt sitting right here. You know what that is? That right there is Braven's freaking cat sleeping on my car in the middle of the night, because somebody didn't let him in. And another thing, let me start off by saying, if y'all are new here, subscribe to the channel and smash that like button, please, because it helps the channel out tremendously whenever you guys hit that like button. And most certainly check and make sure, even if you've already done it, that little bell that gives you notifications whenever I post, just go in there and make sure that you hit it again, or that it's still checked, because YouTube does weird things, brother, and sometimes they like to pick on people. Another thing that I want to address, because I've seen a lot of you guys commenting about it, is the new car, the new build for the channel, brother. For one, I told you guys that it's rear wheel drive. I said that. That tells me that y'all ain't paying attention the entire video, or y'all skipping. Be skipping on me, man. What's up? This Integra sitting right here, I mean, I know it's got a green hood, but that's not the new car, bro. That's my oldest daughter's car. It's sitting here because it's broken down at the moment. It needs a head gasket. Her and I are kind of seeing eye to eye on a few things, and you know, we gotta have some conversation before I go and initiate into fixing that thing. Anyhow, that's family matters, you know what I'm saying? But that Integra is most certainly not the next build for the channel. I mean, we might do some stuff on this car on the channel, but no, that's not the new car. Let's go! The hell are you doing?
Trying to fix this fucking thing.
Oh, I brought a hose.
Oh, sweet. Let's just keep on this to the side then.
God fucking damn, bro. This shit is sexy as fuck. Ah! Man, I want my engine back. Do you want any God fenders? Oh shit. Was there one on this side? What the fuck? I didn't even notice the fender on. That's funny. What, motherfucker? Alright guys, so here's Shiloh's wheels. We painted these yesterday, as I'm sure you're well aware. But yesterday I had forgotten to bring the clear coat with because he actually wants these to have that tinted clear on them, the same way that I did my wheels. He's basically going for that same look because it matches carbon fiber really closely. You'd have to kind of see it in person to believe me, but it's really close. Holy fucking shit, you got them here too. Dude, they're like taking over. They're fucking everywhere. Yeah, I came back today because this paint actually has a window. Within 24 hours, you don't have to go and scuff it. You know what I'm saying? Right now it's dry to the touch, but it's not cured. So it's still porous. It's still breathing the gases. Our clear coat is going to be able to bind with it just fine. Don't have to worry about it separating or flaking off from the paint, you know what I mean? So what I have here is just dude, it's just gloss clear. I'd say probably 10 parts clear, 1 part black paint, just straight black, just to give it a tint. So whenever we go over this, we're still going to be able to see the silver. You'll still be able to see the silver behind the clear coat. Just with the black in it, it's going to slowly darken it. Each coat we put on, it'll get a little darker and a little darker. So that's basically what I'm gonna do, is just start coating it one coat after another until Shiloh over here says it's good to go and he's happy with how dark or light it is. I'm gonna set you guys up, dude. We're gonna start spraying. I'll show you what they look like after. They're finished, they are coated, they are as dark as Shiloh wants them to be. A little bit darker than what I was expecting them to be, but they look good. Alright, but that's pretty much all we have to do here today. So, any updates, Shiloh? Did you do anything? Do you want to show anything?
Go ahead, show all that stuff.
Well, open your garage. Let the light in. Let there be light. Damn, dude, this silver is just like glowing, bro. That shit looks so clean.
It'd be nice with these two colors together.
So I see you bolted a little bit of stuff on. Damn, that cube short shifter. This motherfucker sick. I can't wait to drive the car, bro. I wanna feel that, like, doom.
Stop it. Ruin the paint.
Fucking Shiloh's impatient as all hell.
You just got finished spraying.
Alright guys, I switched over to my GoPro now, so I apologize for the audio. GoPro audio fucking sucks, but my phone keeps overheating and it's starting to piss me off, so I gotta switch cameras before I chuck the thing. Got the big old DB sticker on your back window. What's up? Why is it just sitting there, dude? You gotta commit. You gotta commit, bro. You gotta stick it down.
Wet wheel.
Yes.
Shiloh is literally installing wet wheels right now because he's an impatient bastard.
Bro, it's wet all around you.
What is touching? Nothing's touching. It's fine.
It's fine.
So you can
No, there you
Oh
go.
my god. We should have just painted the tires too.
It's gonna look even better once you peel them.
Holy shit.
Did he just step on the wheels? Jesus Christ, Shiloh.
All over them. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, they came out looking pretty good, dude. I like them. I wish you guys could see this block in person. This motherfucker is glowing. Like it's so silver, it's like white.
I know, I
Like
watched
it's
the
just
video. I
glowing.
wasn't even here yesterday. He opened it and I was like, it's just like you just bought that.
I gotta get all my stuff all loaded up. See, I don't even know if I'm in the frame. I can't stand GoPros. But I gotta get all my stuff all loaded up, dude, and I'll see you guys back in the garage, because this ain't all we're doing today. What are we doing today? We gotta put a rack on Max, man. We're back at home in the garage, dude. Now tell me what you think of version 2. Like, I mean, if you guys didn't see how I had the rack set up the first time, I almost certainly put a link at the little top right here. It'll be up there somewhere. Basically, what I did now is I just turned it around backwards, or, I mean, just the other way. I think it looks cool, but it's completely different than what we had it before. Like now, that little pivot point that sticks up in the air is kind of to the back. So it makes it look kind of like a roof wing, I don't know. Which if you guys have seen the real Mad Max car, he actually has a little wing on the back of his roof. So, I don't know, I mean, maybe it just goes with the theme. But one thing I know for sure, whether we have it facing this way or turned around the other way, we need some bars running this direction so we could actually set things on there. Otherwise, the roof rack is just useless without it. This rack from this point right here to this point right here is 5 feet. What I think I'm gonna do is just put a crossbar at every foot. So if you didn't catch on, this is made out of conduit, bro. Like it's not like actual piping. I mean, it is piping, but it's conduit, stuff that like electricians use. This is what I'm using. I don't know what I'm getting to here. I'm gonna pull some measurements, dude, and I'm gonna cut a bunch of this shit up and start tack welding it in with my Harbor Freight welder.
Looking, kissing when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive them when I kiss them. If you want time, never, just let me know.
Weld check. I think we're good, brother. Hey, we're right back where we started the video off at. All right, dude, well, I got the thing all welded up. That's pretty much all I really have time for today, but it came out looking pretty sick, dude. I know it's really dark out here right now. My camera doesn't really show all that great in low light, but anyhow, guys, thanks once again for hanging out with me. Of course, share your opinions on the roof rack. Let me know what you guys think. I like whenever you guys give me feedback, dude. Even if it's talking shit, I don't care. Don't forget about the wing, brother. If you want to cop this, make sure you grab yourself some stickers and get yourself on that customer list. And yeah, dude, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.